How to use Trello for project management. Hi everyone, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how you can use Trello for your project management. Okay, using Trello for project management can be quite effective due to its interface and flexible features. So the first step is to log in into your Trello account. Once you're logged in and you're on your own page, the next step is to note that for you to be able to use Trello for your project management, you have to first of all familiarize with Trello's interface, and that is things like the board, the list, and the card system. So the next step here is to move to the left side of the screen, click on the boards option, and then select the board that you'd like to work with. After selecting the board and you're brought to the board interface, you can see different functions, all right? And then on this page, you can see that each card represents a task and list. All right, each tax represent a tax, and list represents stages of a project. So for you to be able to use Trello for project management, after opening your board, next step is to organize your board. And how do you organize your board? By creating lists to reflect different stages of your project, such as perhaps to do, doing, done. So you can add cards to this list to showcase that. For example, now you can just click on add another list, and then you can see to do, and then click on add list, and then you add a card under this list. Then you can just put something like list. That is the list of things that you have to do. Then you click enter, and then you include details of the project inside this list. All right, you can just include details of the project inside this list, and then and then include the taxes that you have to do. So you can now assign tasks to your unit members inside this card. Okay, now to do that, click on this pencil icon, and then you can see open card. You can see edit labels. Now you can try to add labels to this card depending on the kind of tax that you have given your unit members. Okay, so once you are done assigning labels to the work, you can now go ahead and also change members by adding members. Okay, so after adding members, from there you can now assign tax to this particular member, and then you can also edit dates. You can edit the dates by putting the dates where you want to start that project at the time you want that particular project to be finished. Okay, you can do that, and then also you can move it to another list. You can copy, you can also archive the card. All right, so you can also use power ups, okay, to enhance Trello's functionality by integrating with other tools such as Google Drive, Slack, or calendar apps. All right, so you can also automate with Butler by using the inbuilt automation tool, by using button etc. You can collaborate and communicate. You can track your progress by coming back to your card to see the time, the date when that particular project to expire, how much you've done, how much your team members have done, and then how much comments you received concerning that particular project. But this is basically how to do it, a simple way out of doing it. Just ensure familiarize yourself with your board, and then you carry out the needed taxes. Thanks for watching and have a good day.